so cool.
Do you see me?
Yeah.
I see you.
This is awesome.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Hi.
What's cool is just staying there.
Let's do karaoke.
My baby, don't stop changing my clothes.
Wow.
With the Google Assistant on Shield, you can ask for almost anything, like, "Okay Google, play the best of Katy Perry."
Katy Perry. Okay, Google, play some jazz in the kitchen.
You could also tell Google to order a large Hawaiian pizza.
Pineapple on a pizza? No thanks.
How about show me beach destinations?
More of a mountains guy.
See the San Francisco Giants score.
New York Giants.
Turn on the AC.
Heater.
Come on, man. I need this voiceover job. How about auto-tuning? Horseshoeing? Beard grooming? Beard grooming? Are you serious?
Well, I'm going on vacation. Okay, Google, show me some videos about beard grooming on YouTube.
Now with the Google Assistant on Shield and the SmartThings link, you're in control. Whoa, might want to postpone that vacation.
Okay, Google, staycation mode.
Come on.